Hey everyone! In this lesson we're going to work on transforming our the color of our words and maybe put some background color that appears whenever your mouse pointer or cursor goes over the word or element. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to play with world. So whenever I hover my mouse over world, I want world to do something fun. I don't want it to just be green when I hover over it. I want it to change to some color. So what I'm gonna do is, since the world is inside a span element or a span container, we're gonna go to span that we already set up within our CSS. We're going to go under color and we're going to, actually let's go up where span is and put hover. So we know that whenever we go over hover, it's going to do something. So let's go ahead and Control S, Control R, and see if anything happens. Yep, it looks like whenever my cursor goes over world, it transitions or it changes to forest green. Let's say I wanted this to do that at a certain time though. So let's go ahead and type transform. And let's say I wanted to transform after 1 second of my cursor hovering over world, and I also want it to ease in, which I believe means start slow and then go fast. And I think ease out means start fast and then go slow towards the end of the transition. So let's go ahead and see what that does. Yeah. Let's go ahead and delete that. Okay, I like that much more. So I deleted my transform that I had put after transition. And when I did that, it made it go much slower. And yeah, like say I wanted background color whenever I hover over world to make it like an extra, there's some extra glitter on this web page. So let's go to background color. And let's see, what would make a good background color with this blue? Maybe cyan? Let's try this. Control S, Control R. Okay, I'm sorry, you really can't see that background color. Let's see. Kind of like this. Okay, Control S, Control R. And see how our really gross looking background shows up behind our word world? Well, that's because I put this code right there. I do want, let's see. I do want the color of span to be forest green. I don't want it to change to forest green. So let's go ahead and type span open close. This is going to be the standard I want it to be. And then let's go ahead and change this to a different color. I really like this deep pink. Let's change this because that turned out to be an awful color. None of these are really speaking to me. Let's go ahead and do that one. All right, Control S, Control R. And there you go. We have our transition going on. That's because I missed the A for span. So let's go ahead and Control S, Control R. Okay, and then our world starts with forest green, and then when we do our transition, you should see a background of the dark blue, the midnight blue, as well as the deep pink for the lettering, and it looks like it worked. And I believe that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.